Welcome to our future fitness room. Right now, it's small, dark, and honestly not inspiring me to work out at all. I ripped out the carpet, painted the walls, the windows, installed new floors. Swapped the light fixture for something smaller, more modern, and with color-changing lights. This video is not a full room makeover tutorial. It's mainly about how I built my dumbbell and kettlebell rack. But while I was building it, I was also working on the space. I have to share with you guys because it turned out incredible. I hope it inspires someone who's looking to work out more or shows that even a small room can be transformed into something amazing. Our gym used to be in a cold and finished basement, but since we have been working out more lately, setting up the space before the winter was a must. I wanted to use what I already had in the shop to build a dumbbell kettle rack. I ended up using walnut with a particle board core. The design came to my mind. I was just making as I go, no plan, nothing. I just start building. Would I recommend a particle board? No. Is it ideal for a weight rack? Absolutely not. But it's what I had and I knew I could make work. I made all my cuts with the track saw. Actually, I used my track saw for the entire build and my drill set. Once the cuts were done, it was time to assemble. I glued them together, staple to be thick. It's going to be the sides, and we're going to have some supports. That's the support. I made a mark where I wanted my board to be. I want the top shelf to sit a little bit inclined. That may be a little bit too much inclined. I don't know. But I think that will be good. I want to be inclined enough that, it's easy. Like the stuff that you find in a gym. Yeah, let's see if that works. But, so I made my mark over there. And now I'm going to just mark with this. Because this is where I want my actually my actual board to actually sit. So I want to mark this so I can put the wood, like the 2x4s underneath the line. Also, to make it easier for me, I'm going to screw this support first because the support is going to be straight. Going to be straight in the bottom, almost in the bottom. Yeah, pretty much in the bottom, but easier for me too. Trying to find ways to do this easy. So there's going to be here, so I can screw that in the bottom because I don't want to be wobbly. I want to be nice. And then, oh, come on. All right, this is what I'm gonna do, but I want this to be in the front, actually, right here. Nice. I'm gonna put this as a spacer in the back of this because I think I want to give it a little spacer gap. I think it will look better. Okay, not bad. We can make it stronger, even more. I add some things in between. Come on, we make benches. We make benches for like people. Okay, now, moment, now the truth. Let's take a nap, okay? What do you think? You think it's strong? I know that I'm gonna put more weight than I am, but I'm so tired. Okay. This is the heaviest weights that I have. Like the dumbbells will be here. So that will be like, you know. Awesome. Okay. While I was painting the rack pieces, I actually built a couple other things for the room. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to record those. To finish the rack, I secured with the screws from the bottom. The nails were just for the holding things in place while assembling. My husband helped me move into the room, we decorated together, and now here's the full transformation. I hope this video inspires you to make your own space feel amazing, whether it's for working out, relaxing, or just enjoying more time in it. And remember, even a small room can be something special. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!